Hallgrimskirkja Church, located in Reykjavik, is an iconic and popular tourist attraction in Iceland. With its unique architecture and stunning scenery, the church offers visitors an unforgettable experience. The Hallgrimskirkja Church is 74 meters high, making it the tallest building in Iceland. The design of the church was inspired by the basaltic lava flows found in the country's natural landscapes. The exterior of the church is a striking combination of sharp angles and clean lines, creating a visually appealing structure. Visitors to Hatlgrimskirkja can enjoy panoramic views of Reykjavík from the observation deck. The breathtaking views encompass the cityscape, the surrounding mountains and the scenic coastline. It is an ideal place for photography enthusiasts or those looking for an unforgettable experience. The church is also an active religious institution, with services held regularly during the week. Despite its religious significance, Hatlgrimskirkja welcomes visitors from all walks of life who wish to explore its architectural beauty or simply immerse themselves in the peaceful atmosphere.